good. What is good? Like, I have never taken care of my tooth. I went to my dentist, asked him what can be done. I'm going to India. Can I go anything done from India? She recommended to do the implant, foundational implant from India. Then I asked my brother-in-law, hey, do you know any dentist? They referred me to Aparna. Then I called Aparna, we got connected, and I connected my other doctor. I came here on 1st of February. From the airport, after 2 hours, I was in her office, and she done 3 implants. And I am now here after a week. I shared my experience, the pain, the good time and the bad time, and she is very satisfactorily listened to me very patiently, and they treated one by one to everything which is required little or more attention. Now she is giving me the next step, which is all the what do you call it? It's a replica of the tooth implants and also the screws, so that my US doctor, Dr. Sunita Pele, can take over from her. And she's promising all the support anytime I need. She's there virtually for everything, as if she's sitting there in US. Thank you, Aparna. Good luck. Best wishes to your business and everything.